In the previous two chapters, we saw the Arduino IDE software tool and the Arduino Uno board. Now it is time to combine between them, meaning write some simple sketch, upload it to the board and see some result. My Arduino is connected right now using a USB cable to my computer, and I'm using the Arduino IDE. Let's write some lines of code, and please don't worry if you don't understand them 100%, as we are going to cover that much more deeply in the next section. What I would like us to do is to write a program that will turn the LED L on for 1 second and then off for 3 seconds. Very simple. Now, if you already have the hardware equipment, then please try that by yourself, as in later stage we will build much more complicated system. The good news is that we can find in the example such almost similar sketch. Just go to File, under Example, in the basic category, choose Blink, and let me bring that to the screen. Now we are getting some sketch being developed by the Arduino community. First few lines are comments or remarks used to describe the goal of that sketch in high level. Going below, we have the setup function where we set pin 13 as output for accessing the relevant LED. Now the main program body is inside the loop function. First line write 5 volt to pin 13, and then wait for 1 second. Then send again to the same pin 0 volt, and then wait for another 1 second. Now we would like to change that to 3 seconds. This is what we would like to achieve. Now, before uploading the software, I will click on verify to verify that everything is okay. Okay, I'm clicking on that, waiting for the feedback below. Now I didn't get any error message. It's being done, and I can now doing the upload. Now we can click on upload. Now during the uploading time of the code, we will see that the TX and RX LEDs are blinking for a short period. Let's do that. Clicking on upload, you see very fast that the TX and RX were blinking. As soon as this finished, the Arduino microcontroller will start running our program forever. Now looking on the board, we can see that the LED blinking on and off based on the delay time in our program. We just passed the first milestone, and now we know how to upload a program to the Arduino that is actually doing something. Still, we need better understanding about the programming syntax, so we'll be able to develop much more complicated sketch. And this is something we will cover in the next session.